Hi, Ninang! Krisa, happy birthday po. God bless. Ingat palagi.
Bye!
Hi, Bax. Happy birthday. I miss you so much. Uwi ka na. Dito ka na magpasko. Wow. Bye. Happy birthday.
Hi love, miss na kita. So yan na, happy birthday. Sana masaya ka ngayong kaarawan mo. At mag-iingat ka palagi lalo na sa mga pupuntahan mo. At galingan mo palagi lalo na sa school. Dito lang ako para sa iyo. Alam mo naman, sobrang proud ako sa iyo. At kung meron mga isang taong maniniwala sa kakayahan mo, asahan mo ako palagi yon. Sana matupad mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo. Pangarap mo sa pamilya mo. Pangarap mo para sa sarili mo. Yun lang. Happy birthday, love. Enjoy your day. See you.
Hi Teresa, happy birthday! I wish you all the best in life. So, I want you to achieve all your dreams and continue to work and pray harder. I miss you!
Hello, Krisa. Happy 18th birthday. Alam ko na super happy mo ngayong birthday mo kasi kasama mo na si Mama. At matagal na rin tayo hindi nagkikita pero alam ko na proud sa'yo si Mama. At kung ano man yung mga dreams mo, alam ko na matutupad mo lahat yun. Kaya, happy birthday. And enjoy mo lang lagi ang life mo. Happy birthday!
Hi, Chris. So, una sa lahat, happy birthday. Ang cringe! Hindi. So, hindi ko alam sasabihin ko. Una, nakamask ako kasi may sakit ako. Kasi baka mahawa kita. So, una, happy birthday. And sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo kahit wala kami. Kasi hindi ako nag-OA. So, sana mag-enjoy ka kahit kakonti lang yung family mo, nakasama mo sa birthday mo. And alam mo naman, kapag may problema ka, pwede ka magsabi sa akin. Lagi din naman kitang sinachat kapag nakikita ko na may problema ko or nakikita ko na malungkot ka. So, hindi ko siya sasabihin dito lahat sa video kasi medyo nakakahiya. And chat na lang kita. Tama, wala, hindi ko talaga alam sasabihin ko. Wait lang. Basta yun, happy birthday, mahal na mahal kita. Promise. Bye-bye. Ingat ka dyan. Love you.
Hi Krisa, happy 18th birthday. I wish you all the best, happiness, and love that you deserve in life. You know that I'll always be here for you. We always be here for you no matter what happened. And no matter how long it takes, we are separated since we're taking different paths. I know our bond is unbreakable and we always come back to each other. We miss you so much. Uwi ka na. Happy 18th birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Teresa. God bless. Miss you. Kiss mo na. Happy birthday, Teresa. Ingat ka lagi. Miss you.
Hi Isa, happy 18th birthday. It's been almost 7 months since you left the Philippines and I really missed you. Yung pagiging makulit mo, yung mga tawa mo, especially our deep talks. And I'm so proud that you're celebrating your dream debut there, especially you're with your family. Always take care of yourself, rest when you feel tired, and never forget to pray. I always remind you and saying to you, the true God will always find strength and guidance from Him. And I'm wishing you a very blessed, beautiful, and forgettable journey ahead of yours. I love you and I miss you, Isa. Fighting!